Okay, think about this for a second. It's on your jacket, your backpack, maybe even the jeans you're wearing right now. It's one of the most common bits of engineering on the entire planet, and we use it all day long without even thinking about it. But have you ever really stopped to consider the genius packed inside? Because this humble little device, well, it's an absolute masterpiece of mechanical design. No, I'm serious. Think about it. How does one simple pull, poof, magically lock two rows of teeth together so tightly and then unlock them just as easily? Well, today, we're going to unzip its secrets. So, to really get the genius behind it, we've got to break it down. It's all about how a few really simple parts work together in like perfect harmony. It all starts with the teeth, and each one is this tiny little marvel, right? It's got a little knob sticking out on one side and a hollow scoop or a cavity on the other. This super elegant hook and socket design is the whole secret to its strong interlocking connection. Now, of course, those teeth aren't just floating around in space. They're held in perfect alignment by what we call the tapes. These are just the flexible fabric strips that give the whole zipper its structure and, let it bend and curve with whatever it's attached to. And finally, we get to the part that makes it all happen, the slider. Yep, that's the bit you pull. And inside this little piece of metal or plastic is this incredibly precise Y-shaped channel. And that is where the real magic happens. Okay, so let's zoom right in on that slider. You know that satisfying little zip sound you hear? That's not just noise. That is the sound of precision engineering at work. This is the secret to how the whole thing comes together. So as you pull the slider up, its internal guides are doing three things almost at the same time. First, these angled channels line up the teeth perfectly. Then, a tiny wedge inside forces them together. And finally, click, that pressure pops the little knob on one tooth right into the cavity of the tooth on the other side. That's what creates the secure lock. And it all happens in a fraction of a second.
It's such a great analogy, right? It's like a continuous handshake. Each tooth is perfectly gripping the one across from it, one right after the other, in this super fast, seamless chain. That is literally what's happening on a tiny scale every single time you zip up.
All right, so what about going the other way? Unzipping. Well, it's just as elegant. It's literally the exact reverse process. The wider part of the slider's Y-shaped channel acts like a wedge. It just pries the teeth apart, popping those knobs right out of their cavities. The separated teeth then just glide smoothly along the outer channels, all ready to go again. Simple. This incredible design didn't just pop into existence out of nowhere. Of course not. It actually evolved from some, well, much clumsier beginnings into the slick little device we all know and love today. So way back before the zipper, people were stuck with these really slow, clumsy hook and eye fasteners. But then, in 1913, this engineer named Gideon Sunback patented his hookless fastener number 2. And his design, the one with those identical interlocking teeth we were just looking at, that was the big breakthrough. It basically set the standard for every single zipper made since. And people have adapted that basic design in some really brilliant ways. Today, we've got coil zippers. They use a continuous spiral of nylon, which makes them super flexible for things like jackets. We have invisible zippers where the teeth are actually hidden behind the tape, which gives you that clean, seamless look on dresses. And of course, you've got those big, beefy, plastic molded zippers for heavy-duty stuff like luggage and outdoor gear. So all of this really begs the question, beyond the clever mechanics, what is it that makes the zipper such a superior fastener? I mean, why did it so completely take over the world? Well, let's just compare it to the old ways. Buttons and laces, they're slow, and they create these concentrated points of stress, right, which leads to gaps. But a zipper is fast. One fluid motion and an entire seam is secure. And here's the real aha moment. It brilliantly spreads out any pulling force evenly across all the teeth, so no single point ever has to bear the whole load.
So the zipper's genius really boils down to three things. First, unbeatable speed. Second, incredible security, because those interlocking teeth are strongest against the forces trying to pull them apart from the side. And third, that brilliant uniform pressure. By spreading the stress across, maybe hundreds of little points, it creates a bond that's way stronger than the sum of its parts. It completely prevents any single point of failure.
The zipper really is a quiet workhorse of modern life, isn't it? It's this seamless blend of pure simplicity and brilliant engineering that we all use every single day. So hey, The next time you zip up a jacket, just take a second to appreciate that you are holding a tiny piece of mechanical perfection right in your hands. It really makes you wonder, what other bits of everyday genius are just hiding in plain sight? What's a common object that you think deserves its own deep dive? Let us know what you think. Thanks for joining us for this one.